He flatlined. His heart stopped. Most men don't come back from that. But C.T. Fletcher isn't most men. After surviving not just one, but multiple heart attacks and undergoing a full heart transplant, doctors told him to take it easy, to slow down, to live a quiet, careful life. But at 65 years old, C.T. didn't choose rest. He chose resurrection. Once known as the Superman of Compton, C.T. Fletcher built his legacy with raw power, discipline, and an iron will. But after facing death, he rebuilt everything: his mindset, his diet, his training, his life. This is no longer just about muscle. It's about survival, legacy, and purpose. He now lives every day like it's borrowed time, because it is. And he's not wasting a second. So how does a man with a second heart still train like a warrior? How does he eat, move, and live? Keep that heart beating strong. In this video, we reveal the 3 dangerous foods C.T. Fletcher will never touch again. The precise meals that fuel his comeback, the supplements that support his second chance at life, and the training plan that keeps him sharp, strong, and unstoppable. If you think aging means giving up, think again. C.T. Fletcher isn't just defying time, he's daring it to keep up. And by the end of this video, you'll see how you can do the same. 3 foods C.T. Fletcher never eats post-heart transplant. 1. Fried foods. C.T. Fletcher completely cut fried foods out of his life after his heart transplant. That means no French fries, fried chicken, or greasy takeout. These foods are full of trans fats and damaged oils that increase inflammation, clog arteries, and put serious strain on the cardiovascular system. For someone living with a transplanted heart, the risks are far too high. One heavy, greasy meal can trigger blood pressure spikes or inflammation that could set him back. Now, if it's not grilled, baked, or steamed, it doesn't go on his plate. 2. Processed meats. Bacon, sausage, deli slices, and hot dogs? Gone. These meats are loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives that can harden arteries, raise blood pressure, and disrupt the healing process. C.T. stays away from anything wrapped in plastic or pre-seasoned. Instead, he fuels up with clean protein, grilled chicken, salmon, or egg whites. His meals now serve a purpose: performance, recovery, and heart protection. 3. Refined sugar. Refined sugar is one of the most dangerous things for heart health, and C.T. knows it. He doesn't touch soda, pastries, candy, or sugary cereals. Sugar causes insulin spikes, systemic inflammation, and damages blood vessels. Instead, he satisfies cravings with blueberries, a handful of nuts, or dark chocolate. He's not eating for comfort, he's eating for survival. 5 foods he eats every week. 1. Wild-caught salmon. This isn't just fish, it's heart medicine. C.T. eats wild-caught salmon 2 to 3 times a week for its powerful omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce arterial inflammation, lower triglycerides, and help stabilize heart rhythm. It's also a great source of lean protein that supports muscle maintenance without overloading his system. He grills it with lemon, herbs, and olive oil for maximum benefit. 2. Sweet potatoes. C.T. uses sweet potatoes as his clean, complex carb of choice. They provide long-lasting energy, keep blood sugar levels stable, and are rich in potassium and antioxidants, critical for lowering blood pressure and helping with post-workout recovery. Unlike refined carbs, they don't cause crashes or inflammation. 3. Spinach and kale. Dark leafy greens like spinach and kale appear in his shakes, salads, and hot meals. They're rich in fiber, vitamins A, C, and K, and nitrates that improve blood flow. They're heart-healing powerhouses that also support liver detox and reduce oxidative stress, 2 things he takes seriously post-surgery. 4. Oatmeal oats are his go-to breakfast. Full of soluble fiber, they help lower LDL cholesterol and support gut health. He prepares it with almond milk, berries, and sometimes a scoop of protein. It's slow-burning fuel that sets the tone for clean energy all day. 5. Bone broth. This is C.T.'s secret weapon. He drinks bone broth like others sip coffee, hot, rich, and restorative. It's packed with collagen, glycine, and minerals that support his joints, repair connective tissue, and heal the gut. After surgeries and decades of heavy lifting, This nutrient-dense liquid helps him recover and fight inflammation from the inside out. Supplements he uses. Now 1. CoQ10 ubiquinol. After a heart transplant, energy production in cardiac cells becomes even more critical, and CoQ10 is the key. This powerful antioxidant fuels the mitochondria in heart muscle cells, keeping them strong and efficient. Many heart medications, like statins, drain CoQ10 from the body. That's why CT Fletcher includes a daily dose of the more absorbable form, ubiquinol, to protect his heart, boost endurance, and help prevent fatigue. 2. Omega-3 fish oil heart health starts with reducing inflammation, and omega-3s are the frontline defense. High-potency EPA and DHA from fish oil help lower triglycerides, stabilize heart rhythm, reduce blood pressure, and even decrease the risk of future cardiac events. CT doubles down with both food and supplements to ensure his arteries stay clean and his blood flows freely, essential for performance and longevity. 3. Magnesium glycinate. This mineral does it all. It calms the nervous system, supports heart rhythm, lowers blood pressure, and reduces muscle cramping. Magnesium glycinate is gentle on the gut and highly absorbable. For someone like CT dealing with post-surgery recovery and intense training, it promotes better sleep, steadier nerves, and a healthy cardiovascular rhythm. 4. Vitamin D3 plus K2. This dynamic duo protects the heart in more ways than one. Vitamin D3 enhances immune function and heart strength, while K2 ensures calcium is deposited in the bones, not the arteries. Without K2, D3 can actually contribute to arterial plaque. Together, they support strong bones, flexible arteries, and optimal cardiovascular function, especially important as men age. 5. L-citrulline. CT adds L-citrulline to his stack for one major reason: blood flow. It boosts nitric oxide production, relaxing blood vessels, and improving circulation. That means lower blood pressure, faster recovery, and better workout pumps. It's not just a performance booster, it's vascular protection in supplement form. CT Fletcher's new morning routine. After surviving a heart transplant, CT Fletcher doesn't take a single morning for granted. His day doesn't start with comfort, it starts with control. He wakes up at 4:30 a.m. sharp. No snooze button, no excuses. Before he checks a phone or turns on a light, he spends 1 full minute in gratitude and deep breathing, reminding himself that every sunrise is a second chance. By 4:35 a.m., he downs a large glass of lemon water with a pinch of sea salt to rehydrate and replenish electrolytes lost overnight. Hydration is critical, especially for a man with a transplanted heart. Then it's time for mobility work. Shoulder rolls, deep squats, hip openers. 10 minutes to loosen joints and prepare for the grind. At 5 a.m., he hits cardio, usually a fasted 30-minute incline walk or interval bike ride to activate fat burning and wake up his system. No music, just focus. After cardio, he takes a cold shower, shocking the body awake and reducing inflammation. Only then, around 6 a.m., does he eat a small protein-packed meal, usually egg whites, a few almonds, or a nutrient-dense shake. By sunrise, CT has already conquered more than most men do all day. His routine isn't about motivation, it's about survival, discipline, and never giving his second heart a reason to quit. Recovery and sleep. For CT Fletcher, recovery isn't a luxury, it's a requirement. After undergoing a heart transplant, he learned that pushing through pain doesn't equal strength. It's knowing when to pull back that saves lives. His recovery routine is just as intentional as his workouts. He prioritizes 7 to 8 hours of deep, uninterrupted sleep every night, understanding that quality sleep is when the body repairs muscle, balances hormones, and most importantly, protects the heart. No screens 30 minutes before bed, no late-night meals, just calm, dark, and cool conditions that signal to his body it's time to heal. CT also uses guided breathing and meditation techniques in the evening to shift his nervous system into a relaxed, parasympathetic state. It's not weakness, it's smart longevity. During the day, he incorporates active recovery tools like foam rolling, mobility flows, and even sauna sessions to improve circulation and reduce inflammation. And he listens to his body. If something feels off, he adjusts. There's no ego in his recovery, only purpose. C.T. Fletcher's second chance at life taught him this. The grind is only sustainable when it's matched by rest. He recovers hard because every tomorrow is earned tonight. Philosophy on fitness. C.T. Fletcher doesn't just train his body, he trains his will. His philosophy on fitness goes far beyond muscle or appearance. It's about discipline, survival, and proving to yourself that quitting is never the answer. After flatlining multiple times and surviving a heart transplant, his mindset sharpened into one core belief. Every day you wake up is a chance to fight back. To C.T., fitness is about showing up every single day, no matter the pain, fear, or fatigue. He believes that mental toughness outlives physical strength, and your body will follow wherever your mind dares to lead. His gym sessions aren't just workouts, they're therapy, war zones, and declarations that he's still alive and still fighting. He trains for life, not just the mirror. That means functional strength, heart-healthy routines, and movements that keep him walking, lifting, and inspiring well into his 60s and beyond. He doesn't chase PRs anymore. He chases purpose, passion, and longevity. For C.T., fitness is the vehicle to prove one powerful truth. You can be broken, rebuilt, and come back stronger than ever. The weights may be lighter now, but the mission is heavier than ever. Final call to action. C.T. Fletcher's journey is living proof that even when life hits you with its hardest punch, heart failure, surgery, pain, you can still rise, rebuild, and dominate. At over 60, with a new heart and a renewed mindset, he's not just surviving, he's thriving. And his message is clear. You have more power than you think. It's never too late to take control of your health. Whether you're starting over after years off, facing medical challenges, or just trying to feel strong again, you can do this. Start small. Show up every day. Eat for fuel. Move with purpose, and protect the only body you've got. If you found inspiration in C.T.'s comeback, don't let it stop here. Like this video, subscribe for more real-life transformations, and share this with someone who needs that extra push to begin again.